So how do you create financial freedom and peace before retirement? That's one of the things that comes up a lot, especially with the group that I hang around with, because we're all looking at how do we get out of the rat race? How do we get out of work? How do we get into some financial peace? And it all comes down to, there's two sides to our equation. There's the investment side, and then there's the debt side for the people who still carry the debt. And if you're from my world of thinking, and where the government is headed, there might be some more taxes coming our way. So it is better positioned for our financial freedom, getting our financial freedom date that we talk about, is maybe looking at accelerating, getting out of debt faster in a smart, concise way. And that's what we talk about. Each year Freedom Day, it's all about, first about clarity, knowing where you're at, knowing what you need to do to get to the next step. And then it's about building confidence of what are your options. It's not always just, a cash out refinance or a home equity loan or going and just jumping into the snowball or avalanche, methods that are out there. There are many options, and each option is different for whatever your situation is. Because the goal is, once you get the clarity, once you get the confidence of knowing what your options are, then you get the certainty because you know what to shop for, you know what the prices should be. Like if I'm doing a home refinance, what would that cost me? What should that cost me in this market? Where do I shop, get the best rates? Is it going to put me in a better position down the line? And that, all of that, the clarity, the confidence to the certainty gets you to your Freedom Day. And the whole goal here is to move that Freedom Day up. If you're looking at debt and maybe you've gone and jumped into the snowball or avalanche method and you're looking, okay, I have a great chance of getting out of this in, maybe 5, 7, or 10 years. How do we cut that back 2 or 3 years? When you're looking at getting into retirement, or you're just looking at maybe moving, repositioning what you're doing now, like changing jobs, it all comes down to that first win. And the first win in our world is about getting your mind right, understanding those steps that it takes to make sure you understand the whole picture. Even if you're not good with math, even if you don't understand all the debt stuff, how do we simply get you that clarity so you get the confidence, the certainty, and get to freedom faster? We want to cut 2 to 4 years off your debt, if possible, your debt payment plan, if possible, by getting you into the right and best debt now. So if you're looking for financial freedom, financial peace, getting to that freedom date faster, the first step to me is looking if you have debt, are you in the best debt possible that you can be to pay it off faster. It's not about getting a second job, finding more money in your budget, getting an envelope system, making another job and making everything harder. How about the first step is going from maybe paying $2,900 of interest on a $10,000 debt to maybe paying $400 a year. How about we cut there first? That way you have more money to work with that's not coming out of your budget. You don't have to get that extra job. You don't have to cut a budget from somewhere else. You could just get out of debt faster. A lot of times there's methods and opportunities out there that the industry is giving us. As long as you have the focus, the will, and want to get out of debt as soon as possible, that's what it's all about. We want to give you that clarity, which means running through where you're at now. Are there options for you? Are there good options for you? We're not a lender, so we're not here pitching, like you need a refinance and you need a refinance because I want to make money this month. That's not what we're about. We're about educating, giving you the clarity. So we have to go run through. You could do it yourself. We could help you. But it's going through and knowing exactly what you have now. And are there better options to get out of debt faster without creating more work for you? And then once you know your options, then you can start getting more confident in what your plan can be. Should I get a fixed rate home equity loan or a HELOC, or should I look at putting some credit cards on 0% cards? Typically, if you get into 0% cards for like 2 18-month cycles, you can pretty much wipe out your debt without raising your payments. Some of those little tricks are out there and easy for you to do. You have to move from the confidence to the certainty, which means you take the actions. You understand that, hey, if I'm looking for a HELOC, I'm going to go to the credit union in my neighborhood because they're the cheapest for, cost, rates. They probably don't have a huge margin on there. I have certainty now where to shop, what to do when you go through a plan like this. And the other thing is just knowing your freedom date. Maybe you're 60 years old and you want to be out of debt before you're 65, maybe even 63. Knowing that freedom date and that it's not going to cost you any more money if that's possible, that's what it's all about. It's all about taking some of the stress out of your life. It's about creating that freedom, that peace that everyone talks about without trying to create more work for you, without going to the envelopes and eating ramen. A lot of times it's just positioning yourself in the right debt. Cash out refinances on your home, probably not your best choice. There's so many better options out there. We're just not educated on debt because debt hasn't been around as long as most people think, at least at the levels that we had. It's probably 60, 70 years. So our parents couldn't teach us because they didn't go through what we've gone through. And that's what we're here to do. We're here to help you build that freedom date by getting clarity, building that confidence so you get some certainty in this whole process. Our goal is for you to pay the banks less and you to keep more of your money. Check out our tools, go to our website. We're adding more stuff every month here to help you, some free calculators, some services that if we can help you save money, we're here to help too. But remember, it's all about knowing where you're at, knowing your options and all of your options, and then knowing what those options will cost you, if you qualify, what's open to you, and where to shop to get to that freedom date faster, so we don't have to worry about what the future, or at least think about the future as much as those people who have a lot of debt. So keep in touch, subscribe, like. We're going to keep building this out. We're here to save people money. We want to put $1 billion back in people's pockets just by taking it from the banks and put it in yours.